What if you could get 3 hours back every single day? I'm not talking about working harder. I'm talking about working smarter using AI. I've tested dozens of AI tools over the past year, and I've narrowed it down to 5 that actually move the needle. First, ChatGPT handles all my first drafts, emails, and brainstorming in minutes instead of hours. Second, Notion AI organizes my entire knowledge base and summarizes long documents instantly. Third, Otter AI transcribes every meeting automatically so I never take notes again. Fourth, Zapier connects all my apps and runs automations while I sleep. And fifth, Midjourney creates all my visual content in seconds. Together, these 5 tools have completely transformed my workflow. The best part? Most of them have free plans to get started. If you want the full breakdown with step-by-step tutorials, hit subscribe because I'm dropping a deep dive on each one this week. Drop a comment below and tell me which tool you're most excited to try.